In this video I'm going to show you how to see how much time you've spent on Roblox. So first up, you want to load up the Roblox website as well as Google. So in Google, I want you to search for RoPro, spelled like this. So here, click on the first link. It should be a chrome.google.com website. So click on this. Basically, we want to install this extension. So click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. It's the same way for Firefox. You type RoPro and you should be taken to the Firefox website if that's what you use. Okay, so now that we have installed this, we can simply close out of all of the windows and refresh our Roblox page, and this should pop up. Now here we want to open up some random game. For example, please donate. So just open it up, give it a few seconds, click yes, and wait for this to load your game. This is how you verify the extension and confirm that it's actually you. So this is safe, so don't worry about it. Okay, so just give it a few seconds to load up. Okay, so now we are in the game itself. So just make sure to walk around, wait for a few seconds after you have entered right here. And then here you want to go back to the Roblox website and simply click on the return arrow. So after you have opened the game up, you can click on verify my user. And as you can see, now you are officially verified. So you can exit out of the game and it will start tracking everything you do from this moment on. So for example, I've played Please Donate for 1 minute, and then it will show you all of your games and everything you've played for that period, starting from the moment that you have installed this extension. So make sure you like and subscribe if this was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.